Now let us discuss an activity to prepare a temporary state mount of onion peel cells. So for this you will need a compound microscope. This is the first and most important need. You will need a compound microscope. Then you will need a glass slide. See, this is known as a glass slide. Then this is known as a cover slip. So this cover slip is used to cover a section of the onion peel. Then you will need safranin. Safranin is a stain. It is used to color the onion peel cells because onion peel cells are transparent. So you will not be able to observe them under a microscope. So this safranin solution is used to color it. Now let us see how to perform it. So for this you have to take the small piece of onion. Let us cut it. Then you have to discard this dried part of the onion peel. Always remember that don't use such dried part of the onion to observe under microscope. So we have to remove the innermost part. So with the help of nails we can remove it. You will get such a thin section. This is the inner part of the onion peel and we are going to observe the cells in it. Now we have to place it on a slide. Take care that you have to place the mount at the center of the slide. It should not be folded. Now here you can see that this is the bigger part. So we can cut it with the help of a scissor. So you will get the smaller part. So I am going to cut it into a small piece. While making slide, take care that this should not be folded. Now place it on a slide carefully. Then put a drop of water which is mixed with the safranin stain. You have to put a drop of safranin stain on it. Then cover it with the help of a cover slip. Take care that no water bubbles remain in it. Now you will see that there is an extra water. So you can remove it with the help of a blotting paper. Just hold it and press it firmly. So whatever extra amount of water is there, it will be removed. Then you have to place it on the microscope. So this is the microscope. So you have to place it on the stage of the microscope. So in this way you can place it. Now let us see how to observe the slide under a compound microscope. Always take care that the mirror of the microscope should be in the direction of light. You may prefer the windows so that you will get better light. Now fix it with the help of the clamps. Here is an eyepiece. We have discussed about the eyepiece. So with the help of this eyepiece and these adjustment screws. See, this screw is for the coarse adjustment. So you can change the height of the microscope. Once it is adjusted, you can get the fine adjustment with the help of a fine adjustment screw. Always take care that the mount should be at the center of the slide. So in this way you will observe the structure of the onion peel cells under the microscope. let us discuss one more activity to prepare a temporary stent mount of human cheek cells. For this activity also we will need a compound microscope, slide, cover slip. We will also need a toothpick or ice cream stick to remove the cheek cells. We have to scrape gently inside our mouth. We have to scrape our cheeks very gently. Be careful that you will not harm your cheeks while scraping it. Then here we will need a blue colored stain known as methylene blue. See, the stain appears blue in color. The stain methylene blue is used to color the animal cells. Now let us perform this activity. Scrape the inner side of your cheeks gently with the help of the ice cream stick or the toothpick. Then place it on the slide. So here we will get such cells. Then with the help of a dropper, we have to put few drops of methylene blue on it and cover it with the cover slip. We may remove the extra stain with the help of this blotting table. Just press it, the extra stain will be removed. Now you have to place this slide on the microscope and observe it carefully. So under microscope, such structure appears. The irregular pattern structures are seen. These are the human cheek cells. Here you will see the dark nucleus as well as cytoplasm in the nucleus. In next video we will discuss about the cell theory.